Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So in this video I'll be showing you a newly launched platform that is called MetaGain. So MetaGain is one of the earning platform that will give you access to perform daily tasks and then get paid for doing that. So it's just as simple as that. When you sign up and become a member of this platform, you will become eligible to earn from this platform. So this is just how the sign up dashboard will look like. So when you click on the link in the description of this video, you get to sign up using the link that I will drop right there. And once you start to apply for registration, so what you need to do is to click on this sign up button. So I will show you their promo event that is currently ongoing now, and this promo event will give you access to receive a free VIP and start withdrawing money on daily basis after completion of few tasks on this platform. So when you click on that link, once you're on your sign up page like this, you click on this sign up now. So when you click on this sign up, you will get to fill out this informations that you are required to input on these columns. So when you click right here, you put your username and invitation code will fill itself. Now you create your password, so you leave invitation code the way it is now, then you confirm your password. So you click here to add your email address. Once you add your email address, the next thing you're going to do is to come to this place where it says send code. So you click on send code. So once you receive code in your email box, you copy the code, come to this place and enter the verification code. So you delete the email address that will repeat itself. Once you put your email address, so for instance I put my email address like this. So when I put my email address, it will automatically fill in this particular space here, which is for the email code. So what you need to do is to delete this immediately you've received email. So once you receive email, you delete this. Keep trying it. You might try it 2 times before the email code comes. So once you receive it, you type the email code, then you click on sign up. So immediately you click on sign up, it will sign you up immediately. So what you need to do is to go back to the link that I will drop right there and click on it again. Then it will bring you to this I will actually drop the login link right there. So you click on this login. So once you click on login, let me show you how the dashboard will look like. It's very user friendly and you will get to make use of this platform and make money online. So when you click on sign in now, automatically it has signed me in. So as you can see, this is all about their promo event that is ongoing. So when you invite 30 referrals, you can be able to receive a VIP for free. So it's very simple. What you need to do is to work on this, and when you register, share your link and get a free VIP. So both VIP 0 and upward will receive withdrawal. But for you to be able to withdraw higher earnings from this platform faster, what you need to do is to add this program in your add it up. So what you need to do is to work on this, use this referral program and add up to get VIP1 without making a deposit. So I'll also share with you how to make deposit for those that are willing to do the deposit part of it. But you can easily maximize this promo by joining the program and get free VIP and start making money online using this platform for free. So what you need to do now, once you are on your dashboard, so this is how the dashboard is. Very simple, guys. So and you can click on this copy link to share your link to your friends and let them sign up. So when they sign up and they become your downlines, you will get to accumulate the number of referrals that will be eligible to give you free VIP. So it's very simple. Then to join the official group, you need to click on this, and then the group is just consisting of around 90 something members. So it's just a fresh platform that you maximize, guys. That is why I've decided to drop this platform here, so that anyone who is willing to make money using this platform, you automatically join early and maximize it before the platform will get filled. So once you are here, you click on this N. to complete your daily task. So you click on this N right here. So as you can see this N button, so you click on it, and I'll also show you other options here. So what you need to do now is to click on receive. So this duration for task is 5 seconds. You need to complete 3 tasks daily on this platform. So as VIP 0 for VIP 1, you'll be completing about 6 tasks. I think it should be right up to 6 tasks. So what you need to do is to click on this and wait to load. So you wait for it to refresh now. So as you can see, the next thing you're going to do is to click on buy. So when you click on buy, so you wait for it, guys. So you click on buy, and the page will load. It might take you to the advert page, but you need to come back and you complete first task. Then you click again to receive the following one. So when you click on receive, now you go back like this. So you go back and you come back again and click again to receive. Then after the page has loaded, you click back and you return to your dashboard. So, and you need to, you click on this again, and then you watch the you just click on this video, and when you play it, it will just play for seconds. So after it has played finished, you just need to go back and complete the task. It's very simple, guys. So, and that is how you make money online using this particular platform that I'm sharing with you. So try and copy your link and share to others and maximize this promo opportunity to get VIP 1 for yourself and start making money. So the minimum withdrawal here is $10, and there is no withdrawal charge when one should make withdrawal. So that is how it works, guys. So it's almost done. I'll now go back and show you other stuff that you might really like to know about. So this is it, guys. I've actually completed the 3 tasks that I'm expected to finish on this platform on daily basis. Now this is my task history, and I've earned 0.16 times 3 times. So that is how you make money online on this platform. Now the next task will be available in the next 30 minutes. So that is how the platform works. In the next 30 minutes, you will see, when you log in, you see other tasks here. It's this platform will give you access to make money on daily basis. So you earn faster here within 29 to 29 minutes. You return back to your dashboard and see other tasks that you can complete to earn. So for you to for those that might be willing to make payment or to purchase a paid VIP, you can come to this and you can play around this platform and see other available options here. So this is how the VIPs are being arranged. So the first one is VIP 1, so followed by VIP 2, VIP 3, and 4 and 5. So now for the VIP 1, the price for purchasing it is just $20, but you can do that with this referral program that I'm talking about. You can simply share your task. So immediately we get like 20 to 30 people. You just need to, you can join the Telegram group and send your screenshot there, send your dashboard, and they will give you free VIP. Then you start making money for free on this platform. So each task will be giving you 0.24 USDT, and daily task will be 0.96 USDT. So that is how it works, guys. And the duration for this payment will last for 60 days, and the total recovery you'll be getting here is $57, and it's quite amazing. With free VIP you'll be getting $57. So that is why I've decided to share this platform. So for you to return to your dashboard, you click on this dashboard here, and you will return to your dashboard. As you can see, I have received my balance for today, and when I keep accumulating this, reaching $10, I'll get to withdraw from this platform without any constraint. So guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section and I can be able to see your message and attend to you. So thank you for watching, guys.